Tilley Harley-Davidson. April the 14th, the spring open house. Rockie Lynne is fixing to play. We're having a great time out here. Skull Camp Brewing's out here. Check them out. Yeah, look at these guys.
You're going to see things like you've never seen today, folks. Come on up, get a seat, have a nice beverage.
Doc's Bail Bonding. They're the guys you get in trouble in North Carolina. You call Doc's Bail Bonding.
Jude Ennis.
And if he can't get you out of trouble, hey, over here's the tribute to the tree thing. There's Donnie. Hey, say hi, Donnie. Bike's been coming in and out all day. The band's about to get fired up. Hey, over here's the Carney girls looking hot out here in the sun all day. The band will be starting soon. We got more vendors down the road over here. The Smoke Wagon. Look at the line stacked up for barbecue today. And over here's the Bella Express. Little train making laps. Jeanette fired up the drag bike a while ago. I didn't get a good video of that, I don't think. Maybe did. We'll see. I can't remember. So I'm going to head back around here to see Rocky get cranked up. Hey, there's Howdy. Oh, come on. Give him a good spot. How you doing, man?